We want to write an equation of the line that goes through this point and has this slope. And don't forget, we're going to write our line in standard form. So since we're given the slope and a point, we'll use the point-slope form. Remember that form? It's y minus y sub 1 is equal to slope times x minus x sub 1. And now let's plug in our replacement values. That will be, in this case, y minus the y value of the ordered pair is negative 1 is equal to slope, which is negative 3, times x minus the x value of 4. We now have an equation of this line. We just need to write it in standard form. So let's simplify. That's y plus 1 is equal to, now I'm using the distributive property, that would be negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 4, that's positive 12, so I'll write plus 12. Remember standard form, x and y terms are on one side of the equation and constants on the other. So I'll take a step and I will add 3x to both sides. If I add 3x to this side, I'll have 3x plus y plus 1. And if I add 3x to this side, the x's subtract out, so equal to 12. And now I'll subtract 1 from both sides. If I subtract 1 from this side, I'll have 3x plus y, and then if I subtract 1 from this side, 12 minus 1 is 11. Here is my equation in standard form. I guarantee you the slope is negative 3 and it goes through this point. How can you check? Well, you can make sure that this line goes through this point by letting x be 4, y be negative 1, and see that a true statement results. How can you see if the slope is negative 3? You can solve this for y. Notice you'd have negative 3x plus 11. The coefficient of x would be negative 3, and that is your slope.